Hey nation, and welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your plus size homegirl Sheen, dealing with all things plus size. Okay guys, so today we are vlogging because we have some errands to run today. I need to get the scat pack washed. I need to get my car washed. I got to get my feet done. I may get a manicure too. What else do I need to do? I gotta go home. I gotta go to Home Depot because we moving down. We excited because we moving, and I'm gonna have my registry in my socials, like on my Instagram, stuff like that, as well as it will be in the description box below. So if you want to give the kids something, you can. Let's see what else we gotta do. We may get some lunch. Oh, I'm gonna go to Rainbow because there's a Rainbow over there by me. It will not by me because child, we gotta drive, child. Well, in that area, I'm gonna say that. So it's a Rainbow over there, so I'm gonna go over there, and that's gonna be a little haul vlog try on coming soon as well. So put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Don't touch my, and if you kick my seat one more time, I'm gonna put you out this here vehicle. Sit down, zip your mouth, be quiet. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so we've made it to the nail salon. So let's go in here, let's do something. This is before. Let's see what they're giving. It's giving little nubby booty fingers, booty pickers. Let me stop. So this is the before of the nailsies. I'm not going to show you my feet. You're not going to put my feet on the internet. You're not going to put my feet on Beyonce's internet. Fight me. Anyway, let's go in here, get our toes and feet done. Again, don't, hey, let me take my glasses off because I got to let y'all know I'm serious. Don't be in this because I was down here looking. Look, don't be in this nail salon, run around in these people nail salon and cutting up. Get in here, sit down, be quiet, and act like you got some common sense, okay? Put my shades back on. Let's go. Okay, we're back. And I'm back with a sucker. What y'all think? Check me out. Little pink nubbies. Just something simple, basic, and pink. Y'all, they put so much oil on my dang on hands. Like, you know, once you get done, they put like your oil on. Yo, like, I had so, and then like the dude slathered me down with oil. Then he slathered me down with lotion, right? And then he was like, okay, have a good day. Yeah, it was so greasy. I was literally washing myself off at them people sink. Uh-oh. I don't care nothing about you falling. It's the truth. I was washing myself up at them people sink. That's what it felt like. So, let's put our ring back on. And now that we've done that, we're on to our next mission. Time to go to the car wash. So put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Thank you. Okay, we made it. We at Home Depot. Should we go to the plant section? Ah! Yes. I couldn't help myself. I just stimmied. Yes. I know. Okay, so business. We get our boxes, our tape, and our bubble wrap. We handle business first. Business first, and then we look at plans. Okay, come on, let's go. Alright, y'all in? Okay. Had to close the door. Y'all had to go. You see I got the air on the max. Close the door. Get in and close the door. The air is on. It's hot out there. Come on. And look what I got on today. Thank God it's light. Because what? The little collar is crazy work. Ooh, I'm hot, y'all. Okay. We got our boxes. We got our tape. We got us some starter boxes to get us started. We're not going to get all our boxes at one time. It's just stuff that I got to move like right now. Plus, I got extra boxes and stuff at the house. So, we're doing good. We got us some boxes to get us started. Now we're finna go to Rainbow. Wasn't there some cute flowers? Oh my God, so many cute flowers and plants. I knew y'all was gonna like that. See, I know y'all. I know my people. Okay, let's go to Rainbow. Let's see what we can see. You ain't gotta put your seatbelt on because it's in the same plaza. So yeah, let's go. All right. I know I'm always fucking my hair because it be flat when I get in the car. Okay. Told you ain't had to put your seatbelt on. We already here. We at Rainbow. Come on. Put your shoes back on. Get your purse. Get your wallet. Let's go inside. Let's see what we can see. So I just had to put the phone up like this because this shit keep falling and it's irritating me because it keep damn falling. Rainbow, y'all got to do better. Y'all, this shit is horrible. Okay, your clothes are not good like that for y'all to be charging what y'all charging in there. I had to put the phone down. Everything getting there looking cheap as hell, looking like it's made out of do-rag material, like just to find something so that I could try to give y'all a haul. Like, I'm finna go eat. Okay, we have made it to Golden Corral. I'm gonna try to remember to take some videos of my food. I'm starving. I haven't eaten since like 9 this morning, and the time is now 5:30. I'm starving.